Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you frustrated that nobody's watching your YouTube videos? Well, pay close attention because in this video I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why people use YouTube and how you can use those reasons to create content that your audience will watch, and this will help you get more views. Now, if you're not doing video marketing, you really should be, because it's one of the best ways to build rapport quickly. But a lot of times where people wound up getting into trouble with YouTube or getting frustrated is that they do videos that people don't want to watch. So we have to break it down further and find out, why do people go on YouTube? Why do people use YouTube? And there's 4 key reasons why they do that. So the first reason is for inspiration. People love watching videos that make them think. So how often do you watch a video from like Goldcast, or a video from like Tony Robbins or Brendan Burchard or an Oprah Winfrey, or you watch President Kennedy's inaugural address? People love watching these videos because it makes them makes them think, and it makes them want to inspire to do more and be more and make an impact. So inspirational videos, they are always searching for. Now think about it. Do you search for inspirational videos? I know I do when I need something to pick me up when I'm feeling kind of down in the dumps. Another reason people use YouTube is they use it to connect. What people don't understand is that YouTube is a social network. So you see a lot of people now, especially with YouTube live videos, they have chat enabled. And so people will watch, especially if you have like a live streaming event, when the Olympics were on, or there's some sort of breaking news that happens, or there's celebrations happening like after the Super Bowl, or elections or politics. People will hop on these live videos and they will interact with each other. And what we're seeing now is that when people use a live stream feature, is that the same group of people will come back and interact. It's like their favorite place to hang out online. So people use it as a way to connect. So you might want to be thinking about doing some videos, live stream videos, especially as you're building an audience. Another reason people go on YouTube is they are looking to be entertained. So a lot of times people will go search for some of their favorite clips from past TV shows, or funny clips from movies. There are some people who've created YouTube video series that they will watch because they need something that's going to make them laugh. One of my favorite things to do when YouTube first came out, I was looking for Monty Python clips. I love watching Monty Python. It's one of my favorite entertainment. My husband and I dated when watching Monty Python and the Holy Grail, and we tried to find some of those clips to watch over and over again and share a laugh. So people go on YouTube to entertain. And finally, people go on YouTube to learn. You know, how many people go on YouTube when they want to learn how to set something up, maybe install a piece of software, or learn how to cook something, or learn how to build something, you know, a do it for yourself project. That's where YouTube really, in my opinion, really makes an impact. And this is what you can be doing as a marketer, is putting your, put on that lens and look at these 4 reasons and figure out what type of content could I do with my audience. You know, there are some you can be very, very creative. But you first have to know who your audience is and what are their pain points, and then look at these 4 reasons and think, what could I come up with for content that could inspire my audience, that could make a connection with my audience, that could entertain my audience, and, excuse me, that my audience can learn from. And if you can keep these 4 reasons in mind and you create videos around these reasons, you're going to get more views. And over time, those views are eventually going to lead to getting more leads and more sales into your business. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. And make sure you're following me on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. And did you know you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right from my Facebook page? So it's very easy to do that. All you have to do is go to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. Look in the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see tabs, and you will see right up here at the top, it'll say Dr. Lisa's YouTube videos. Click here and you're going to see all my videos from my YouTube channel, and all you have to do to subscribe is click the subscribe button right here. And my most recent video will be right up here at the top of the screen. Now, if you'd like to have more training on how to grow your YouTube channel to get leads and sales, I have a special free training for you right now, where it's a 99-minute video training which will show you how to set up your YouTube channel, how to optimize your YouTube channel and videos, what exactly in terms of structuring your videos, how to structure it so you can get leads for your business. And I'm also going to give you a free PDF guide that goes with it of 101 video creation ideas so you'll never ever run out of content again. So to get access to this training, all you need to do is click on the link you see on your screen right now. I have this link in both the video description and in the comment section. Click there, give me your best email address, and I will send you this video training and PDF guide to your email box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.